Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 6, week 2, day 1 of your KAM blueprints. The story for the week, eek! There's a mouse in the house. Theme concept, real and imaginary animals have all kinds of adventures. Strategy, to question. So when you're reading a story, what questions do you have about the story? Skill, noting details. Phonemic awareness. It's Monday, so we're going to get our stretchers out. Actually, it's not Monday. It's the first day of blueprints, but we're going to start with our stretchers. And our first word is send. So you're going to stretch it out with me, and you should say s-e-n-d. Word, send. Good. Next word, house. Stretch it out. And word. Okay, next word, plate. And word. And last one, hop. And word. Good job. Okay, let's move on to our letter names. Letter. That's right, you should have said E. Letter. 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 Okay, great job. Let's move on to our regular word. So again, with this, I'm going to say the word, spell it, and then say the word again. And then it will be your turn to say the word out loud, spell the word, and say the word again. Let's begin. My turn word, said. S-A-I-D. Said. Your turn word, spell said, and word. My turn word, you. Y-O-U. You. Your turn word, spell you, and word. My turn word, are. A-R-E. Are. Your turn word, spell are, and word. My turn word, away. A-W-A-Y. Away. Your turn word, spell away, and word. My turn word, does. D-O-E-S. Does. Your turn word, spell does, and word. My turn word, he. H-E, he. Your turn word, spell he, and word. My turn word, mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Ooh, can you do mouse in a squeaky voice like a mouse? Your turn word, mouse. Spell mouse, and word. My turn word, house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Your turn word, spell house, and word. Okay, let's move on to letter sounds. So when you see this E-E, it's going to make that long E sound, like in the word street. So I'll do the first sound with you. So sound, that's right, E. Okay, short E sound, that's right, eh. Sound, Again, it's going to make that long E sound like in the word eat. Okay, so sound. Ooh, that's CE. Sound. That's right, you should have said S. Sound. That's right. That K is silent. Sound. Sound. Long O sound. Sound. That's right. Shh. Sound. Sound. That's right. It makes that long E sound. 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 Shh. Okay, great job, day one. I'll blend the first word with you. Whoops. How did I do that jump? Whoops. E. Sound. K. Blend. Eek. Word eek. Like the mouse went eek. Okay. Next word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. That's right. Did you say send? Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. That's right. That CH makes that ch sound. Sound. Long A. Blend. That's right. Che. Sound. Blend. Word. Did you say chase? Great job, first graders.